In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable a Microsoft Forms link. Whether you're managing feedback for a recent event, gauging customer satisfaction, or coordinating an RSVP list, Microsoft Forms is an invaluable tool for creating surveys, quizzes, and polls. However, there may come a time when you need to restrict access to your form, either because you've collected enough responses or because the information has become outdated. Whatever your reason, disabling a Microsoft Forms link is a simple process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Microsoft Forms. This can be easily done by searching for Microsoft Forms in your favorite web browser, or by entering the Microsoft ecosystem via Office 365. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to sign in to your account. Look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right of the page, and click on it. After clicking the Sign In button, you'll be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account. Make sure to enter the email address correctly and then click the Next button. Following this, you'll be asked to enter your password. Again, ensure accuracy when typing your password and proceed to the next step by clicking Next. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Microsoft Forms dashboard. This is where all your magic happens, from survey creation to the analysis of responses. Find the specific form you want to disable in your list of forms. If you have many forms, you may need to scroll down or use the search function to find the right one. Upon locating the form, you will notice a three-dot menu icon often found at the bottom right of the form's thumbnail. Clicking this icon will reveal a set of options. Now, you might be tempted to look directly for a disable or delete option, but there's a slightly different route we're taking. Look for and select either Collaborate or Duplicate. Why, you might ask? This is because the option we're looking for is nestled within these settings. A bit of an indirect path, but straightforward nonetheless. After clicking on Collaborate or Duplicate, you'll find the option to manage the share link for your form. This is the crucial step. Here you'll see if the form's active, and more importantly, you'll find the option to delete the share link. By deleting this link, you effectively disable access to the form, making it unreachable for unintended audiences. Once you select to delete the share link, confirm your choice. This action will make the form inaccessible to new users. However, it's important to note that this doesn't delete the form itself or the responses you've already collected. It merely prevents new submissions, which is exactly what we're aiming for. Voila! You've successfully disabled the Microsoft Forms link, ensuring that your form won't receive any more responses. But what if you change your mind or need to reactivate the form for any reason? Simply go back to the form's settings, where you previously deleted the share link, and generate a new share link. This flexibility means you can manage your forms as dynamically as your needs evolve. In conclusion, disabling a Microsoft Forms link is a quick and painless process that gives you control over your data collection efforts. Whether ceasing the collection of responses for a concluded event or updating materials for a future project, knowing how to manage your form's accessibility is key. Remember, while the form is disabled, you can always access your existing data, analyze the results, and even download them for further use. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to check back for more tips on how to make the most out of Microsoft Forms and other essential tools.